Welcome to my channel. I'm AC, your friendly professional makeup artist. If you are new to my channel, I aim to help and provide basic makeup applications for those who want to do their own makeup and do it professionally. And if you are already watching and a subscriber of my channel, thank you so much for always watching. I love you. Please do not give away the expired makeup kasi their lives will be at risk because majority pa rin ng tao, they don't know that they have sensitive skin, and once na ginamit nila yung expired makeup na yan, it will cause a major allergic reaction that can also be cause na ma-hospitalize sila. So if you want to see how I'm going to destroy all the branded makeups, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's begin. Let's begin to destroy. So never ko naman itong nagamit talaga tong highlighters nila. So, yep. So next, we are going to destroy this Tarte highlighter. I can still use the container pa rin. You could use the mirror. I hope you could hear the sounds. Then, let's go to Gerard Cosmetics. So the next one are the palettes from Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. So next is we have MAC. This is oil fired up. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a cream eyeshadow from JCats. So this is from Inglot. This is from Inglot brow liner. It's a AMC brow liner gel. I also have Temp 2 Pro for airbrush, so I haven't used this for a while. And then pour it out. BB cream. This one is Dior Over Curl. So again, I never bought this but I've won this in giveaway also. Ito, gamit na gamit ko siya, but sadly, it has already expired. Gloss from JCats. Cut this. So next we have MAC Prep and Prime. So again, cut the brush.
So guys, if you want me to do another video like this, comment down below, let me know. And thank you so much for watching, for staying with me. I hope you enjoy somehow, kahit na iba sa atin ay nasaktan, how I destroyed all these makeup brands. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you so much. If you want to see more of my videos, then click here on this end screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!